Mess Around!
Hello everyone and welcome to Mess Around TV, and I'm excited to be showing you our Marvellous Mess Kit. So, we launched our Marvellous Mess Kit back in July and it is our #1 selling box across the UK. We have sold hundreds of these boxes. They are really good fun and really good value. So I'm going to show you what's included so you can find out how you can get messy with us at home. So the first thing I've got, in each of your kits that you'll get rainbow rice. The leaders will provide you with 4 different colours of rainbow rice. They'll choose their colours and we get some really brilliant ones. So I've got some pink here, some blue, yellow and orange. Rainbow rice, brilliant fun at home. The children love to put it out on their trays, make shapes, make patterns, and then the best thing is you can pack it all back up and reuse it. Now, you may get cloud dough in your Marvellous Mess Kit because our mess kits are pick and mix. You get to choose the materials you want to have in your kit. So cloud dough could be on offer in your kit. You could also have mouldable soap, which is really good fun. I'm going to do this big squish. I love this stuff. So here we go. Ready, guys? Whoa! And the kids absolutely love playing with this one. Great activity for doing outdoors and smells yummy. Really good fun, that one. So that's mouldable soap. You could also have the choice of water beads in your kit. So these lovely water beads, children love to play with these and they're great fun. You can put them in water, you can just have them in your pots, you can go them down tubes, all sorts. You could get soap mud. Soap mud is a combination of soap and toilet roll. It's really good fun. It's shapeable, mouldable, and could come in all different colours. You could also get some Play-Doh. Now, children love to do Play-Doh, and you may have the option for a personalised Play-Doh mat. So look out for that one on the options. There's also soap slime. The kids love playing with soap slime. This is brilliant. You can just get it out. It's all gooey. It's ready to be played with straight away. And this one's all lovely and sparkly. So look out for that in your books. You could also have glue. Now, some of our leaders may do chocolate glue, normal glue. You just add the water, put it in, it goes, sticks up down. Children absolutely love glue. Now, each of your kits comes in one of these Marvellous Mess Kit trays. You can contain the mess and the children can play in that. They absolutely love it. You get doorstep delivery and you also get a set of instructions from the leaders on all the different activities, all the different materials, how to play it. So, if you would love to purchase a Marvellous Mess Kit, head over to your local leaders page, check out their shop and their website and see what they have on offer and get yours ordered today. Bye for now.